Oh my! What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. So we're gonna be wide bodying the Coupe today. I have some massive over fenders. It's gonna be way wider than this car even, and this car is pretty dang wide. Obviously I don't have the fronts on for reference, but these are 55s. For the Coupe, we got 75s. So anyway, I'm waiting for Jack to pick me up and then we will head over to his house where the Coupe currently is and throw these things on. So I've had these things up here for a long time now. I opened the fronts just to see how wide they are. They're super wide, so I gotta get the fronts down and then figure out which ones are the rears. Gotta grab these lifesavers. Boom, all loaded up in the truck. Hopefully those don't break on the way over. They're not cheap. So we're on our way over to Jack's. We just stopped at Chipotle so he could fuel up a little bit for this heavy install we got going down. Here he is, the man, the myth. Okay, we're officially at Jack's. Boom, look at the Coupe just chilling here. So we're gonna take the fronts off, grab the other fronts and put those on, see how wide it is, and then put the rears on. Or who knows, maybe I'll put the rears on first just because the rears are gonna be the most insane. Okay, we're starting. I can't talk today, man.
That's because you're cold.
Okay, we're starting with the side with the gas door first.
For the SR guy.
I've only filmed this clip 5 times, but Jack's gonna run out to the truck, grab that, we're gonna bust it open, and then we'll put it on here. I'm gonna pop this off while he's grabbing that and unwrapping it. That way we can just slap it up, drill some holes, and clip her in. Doge, I'm cold, man.
These bad boys.
There's been dogs in my last 2 videos, and this one's got mud all over him.
Yeah, I know. We're trying to get the mud off.
Okay, so my manifold for my JZ has been over at Jack's. It's been MIA, and as you can tell, he's laying down some dimes.
Oh, these are not that good, man.
He's learning welding, and you got to give it to him. These are pretty good. Not gonna lie. This was first try too, so super stoked with how that looks. First try Fridays. Alright guys, I'm not taking that light out because there's a battery box there and I'm too lazy to remove it, so we are literally just gonna throw the over fenders on. Walk in, man.
I look JDM.
JDM is up! Okay, we got the heater ripping and we're about to bust this box. Jack's neighbor literally has a Sasquatch in their backyard. Shoot some flames at him.
Nah.
No?
Nah, dude. They're gonna think like literally someone's over here shooting me.
Oh yeah, by the way, no one has bought this beautiful SR with a beautiful valve cover, painted to perfection, no imperfections at all on this thing. Looks like a high quality paint job, high quality SR, 2,700 bucks. Buy it now. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The gas door situation is gonna be weird because that gas door looks massive.
I promise that we build cars better than we open.
It's debatable. Because usually we get pretty hyped and we're like, I don't need to put this line there.
Yeah. Well, 2020 is different.
Put it on yet, man.
What do I do?
This guy's in a huge hurry. I'm gonna record my reaction to him putting this on.
What do I even do?
You put it on, man.
Right now?
Oh my God, that's wide. Yeah, wheel choices might be a little difficult. Let's actually get this thing pinned on here because I want to see what it truly is gonna look like. What do you think, dude?
What do I think about what?
These flares.
Oh, I like them.
They're good, man.
They're cute.
They're cute. Okay. How good does it look?
Pretty good. It's honestly terrible with these wheels. Like, it's killing me. You're the king of bad fitment, dude.
You're the king of bad fitment, dude. You're the king of bad fitment, dude.
Look at this. This is unbelievable. So I don't know, it's really hard to tell on camera, but this literally has a massive wave in it. And like, I don't even know how you go about fixing that. How do you even fix that?
I don't think you do.
All right, I guess we're leaving it. Oh well. 2020, we're being better builders.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, what do you do with that?
You can't do anything with that.
Yeah.
We can heat it up though and try and flatten it out a little bit, but
Yeah, that's true.
either way, I've heard origin quality's going to crap and it sure looks like it's going to crap. I've had these overs forever, but these things are like $500 for the rears and they look like that. Why is nothing working out for me in 2020?
2020 is the year of the gains.
Horsepower gains.
Yeah.
All right, let's actually get this on. Open. Toolbox is out of my element here. It's like I'm entering someone else's home. You can judge a man's life by how organized his toolbox is. Mine's not organized. We got these cool little clips. You just drill a hole and then you put this on the end, squeeze it, shove it in, let go. And that's what she said. Got the drill bit and the drill. Let's smoke some holes, man. We need some tape so we can tape it up and then smoke the holes.
I think we should just send it.
Nope. You literally said we are building insane cars this year, 2020.
Yeah, but
and then this guy's trying to send it.
We're just that good.
Oh my, dude, just step back. Just step back and you'll see what I'm seeing. Back here and look at what I'm seeing. You're gonna notice it instantly. Look at this giant area caved in, like some line got laid on it while they were making it.
Oh, yeah, that's bad.
It's like it got hit with a baseball bat.
Can you see it on the camera?
Yeah, you actually can. It's like a huge indentation. Unbelievable. These were brand new. You guys saw them.
Yeah, you saw them opening.
It looks really bad on camera.
Really?
Yeah. It looks like a basketball just smacked the side of it.
Yeah, you know how bad that looks with paint?
It looked horrible.
What color? Dude, you should ask him what color to paint this thing.
Yeah, what color you guys want to see this coupe?
I got some ideas.
Whatever color you guys want, maybe we'll do it.
That's true.
I'm actually fit.
It's a big enough drill bit. This is gonna be a tight fit for sure. Hey, it'll work.
Okay, that's one in. Anyway, you guys get the point. That's what we're gonna do. Drill a hole, put a cleco in. I'll show you when we're done. Well, this guy is over here panicking about using too big of a drill bit. We got too much wiggle, so.
I mean,
We're going to the store.
Yeah.
To get another drill bit.
Yeah.
And Origin so far, fitting like garbage. This guy is literally a rookie. We're going to Advanced right now.
Dude, this is my one-stop shop place.
Home Depot is for men's, Advanced is for
what?
female dogs. Got the bits, we're heading back. New bits, no more wobble. Now we're gonna actually finish putting this on. Okay, so this guy's trying to say he's more JDM than me. But look at this. This car is in Japan. They have 100,000 followers. Look at this thing. Tell me that's not my car. Tell me that is not my car.
All right.
In Japan.
All right, come on.
More JDM than me. Come on.
JDM.
He has a V8 in his car. What's JDM about that?
What's that say, dude? 240 SX.
On this side.
Can't even get it up.
That's what she said. That is not JDM, dude.
Yeah, well, why you gotta point that out?
Anyway, this is where we're at with the fender. Almost done. Hey guys, here's what we're working with. I know it looks pretty dumb on stock body, but she is thick. Like Kim K thick. You like Kim K? Yeah. Okay, well, one side's done, so now let's do the front. Take these off. Sick, almost there. Okay, I just got the first fender off, and wow, look at all this stuff I found in there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is still like wet dirt, so I see why these things rust so much. Luckily, there's no rust right there, just a little surface rust. But anyway, that's off. That thing's junk, gonna throw that away. Gonna wait for Jack to get back out here, and then we'll throw on the other one. Once I break my 55s on my hatch, I'm definitely gonna go 75s, because the 75s look great. Okay, so we're about to put the fronts on. I'm gonna record my reaction again. Who is calling me? All right, man, throw those things on. Holy.
Keep that over there, huh?
I think they're over the joke. Dude, that looks incredible. He's been trying to tell me this whole time he thinks the rears are 55s. Looking at this, they are 100% both 75s. What is Origin not the brand to go with?
Nah, you bent the shit out of this thing.
I did bend that pretty bad. Look how stupid my car looks, guys.
It looks so stupid, dude. This is the ugliest 240 on the planet. It gives you an idea, though, how sick it's gonna be, though.
Oh yeah, slammed.
Wide. A color.
Sylvia front.
It's gonna be a color.
It will be a color. You couldn't even fill that with a 2-inch spacer. Okay, we're about to knock out the other side. Now that this one's done, obviously we don't need to film the other side because you know how this goes.
It's all about the clout. He's getting those clout shots. He's trying to get the babes. Because this gets babes, right?
No.
No.
So we run inside and this dude's hyped on this Amazon package. Look at what he got.
It's a genius. You don't look that bad. You just look super safe. You look super safe. Can't even.
I feel like a golfer. So Googly over here is gonna weld up.
Googly. Why am I giggly?
Googly goggles. Is gonna weld up my manifold, so we're gonna help him with that. And we're not gonna do this other side tonight.
Why not? I thought we were.
We might do this other side tonight, but probably not because we gotta take the antenna out and this fender's gonna be harder to take off than that one. So anyway, let's go weld this dude. But I want some gloves because I ain't trying to lose a finger. Here we go. We ready?
Not really.
Damn, dude. Those are good.
Those are not that good.
Okay, so it's pretty much 50% done.
I give it an 80.
Oh, 80% done, so.
It's just that back part that we can't get to.
This thing will be done soon. This motor will be out soon. My junk fender right here, gonna go throw this thing in the dumpster. Leaving the coupe looking like this. I'm gonna go ahead and start ordering some parts like headlights, coilovers, stuff like that. Not sure what brands I wanna go with yet, but I'll figure that out and keep you guys updated. So let's go trash this fender. All right, dumping this piece of trash. See ya. So I've been reading through the comments. You guys left me a ton of good advice for what I should look for on the speeds. So I'm gonna try and diagnose that maybe next video or something. And yeah, I appreciate you guys letting me know. Yeah, anyway, that's gonna be this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of how wide this coupe is gonna be. I'm super excited for this build. And thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram, also Berner. Peace out.